Hey guys, Don from Driving Everest here. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in for another video. So I want to start this one out with a quick story time. So one of the trips, I don't remember what state we were in. I was at a campground and a guy comes up to me and says, "Love the Jeep." And we start to talk about the Jeep. It's an eye catcher, a conversation starter, best icebreaker you could ask for. And he's fairly into the Jeep community. He gets it. He appreciates the mods, the whole 9 yards. But then he's like, "I gotta ask you one question that's just bugging me." And I said, "Sure, what's that?" He goes, "With all the things that you've done to this Jeep, why in the world are you still rocking a stock antenna?" And, you know, truth be told, I really didn't have a good answer for him. You see, we've replaced the antenna on Vanessa's Jeep, our 2016 JKU, and we just got one of those, I don't know, 13-inch generic stubbies off Amazon. I really wasn't impressed with it. And to be honest, I just hadn't gotten around to it. I didn't even think about it. So, reached out on my stories. I said, guys, I need some suggestions. Do we go with like the black 50 caliber bullet? I mean, I use Apple CarPlay, so I don't really need it for radio reception. Or do I want to go with, you know, just something a little bit bigger, a stubby, something that's not banging around every time I go off-roading? And that's when Trail Sniper Off-Road reached out to me and they said, "Hey, we make one of the best antennas in the market. We'd love for you to try it out." So today, we're gonna put it on and test it out. Let's get started. All right, so let's check this out. It comes in small box, nice presentation. It looks like it's etched in the cardboard with trailsniper.com, the thank you note, the stubby antenna underneath. Let's see. We've got the base that's going to go there. You've got to have decals. One of the cool things about Trail Sniper is they give you these little decals that you actually can put on that piece and add a little bit of personalization to it. So that's going to be tough. Got to figure out which one we're going to go with. Now, the installation is just going to start by taking this one off, and if yours is on there tight, you might need a wrench. Mine looks like I can mostly do it with my hand here. And that's it. Toss that to the side. The next thing here is we've got to pop this piece off. All right, so the attempt to pop it off with the flathead actually just ended up tearing it up, which I'm not worried about. Again, we've got a solid metal replacement. So we're gonna try this method here. There we go, simple as that, comes right off. All right, so now that that's off, we're gonna wanna take these 3 bolts out. If you got a drill, it's gonna go quick and easy, or in my case, just a small T-handle, and we'll get that right off. All right, so we have popped that off, unbolted this. We don't want to pull this out. This is actually going to slide right over top. Now you notice that if you look on here, you see we need to have that up so the antenna can go in there. It's going to come right back here, and then taking the screws that they've provided, just line that up, and you're going to pop it right back in. This is on, super solid, super easy. Now we just got to take our antenna, drop it in there. I'm a details guy, and just the packaging, the presentation, on point. So this is why we made sure we lined it up. And hand tight is going to do it. So check this out. I mean, super low profile. I mean, so clean. Jeep, why are we not doing these from the factory like this? Looks great. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I mean, short, sweet. It really takes that long. Wrench, screwdriver, couple of different size bits to get the bolts off and get these in. That's all you need. Now the real question is, what are we gonna go with here? So, not gonna put it on tonight. Maybe I'll throw it up on Instagram. Take a vote, see what we think, but there's definitely some really cool ones on there. It's gonna look great. Thanks for watching.